Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our laps and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we can begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch your toes. And now, we go back up high one more time. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch your toes once more. And stand up straight, hands on hips, and let's have a wiggle side to side. Stop. And then another wiggle side to side. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now we'll go round and round. Round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch. And stop. And then we can go back the other way. Round and round the other day. And stop. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So in today's science lesson, we're going to be learning about a new topic. And as you may have noticed already, there is a collection of items on a table in front of me. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn about the different materials that make up all of these items. So the start of today's section, guys, materials. And we spell materials M-A-T-E-R And materials means the things that things are made of, the actual way that things are made. And because today is the first lesson, we're going to be having an introduction. Introduction. So all together, guys, materials, introduction. Okay, so let's have a look at the different things that I have on my table, and let's see if we can guess what materials they are made from. So first of all, an easy one. What is this? Glass. Yes. And does anybody know the material that it's made from? No. It's the same name. Glass. It's called a glass because it's made of glass. Glass is the material. As well as being the name of the object we drink from a glass, the material that it's made from is also glass. So let's write that word on the board first, guys, because that's our first material. And glass is spelled G-L-A-S-S. So that's material number one, glass. Well, who can tell me what this is? It's a bottle. Is it made of glass? No. Again, plastic. You see? Glass, plastic. These are what we call different materials. So we have plastic. A-S-T-I-C. Okay. Each of the different items on my table are made from a different material. Who knows what this is? It's a ruler. Is it made of glass? No. Is it made of plastic? No. Correct. What is it made of? Metal. Perfect. One more time, Prel. Metal. This is a metal ruler. Quite hard. Metal is a very hard material, very strong. And we spell metal M-E-T-A-L. So far, glass, plastic, metal are different materials. Okay, but we've got 3 more items on the desk. Now, guys, I know you use this every day. It's a pencil. But what is the pencil made of? Wood. Correct. Another clue is the same as the table. Wood. Wood is a material. So we can write wood too. W-O-O-D. That's wood, such as pencils, tables, and other things. Now, sometimes when you use your pencil, you make a mistake. And when you make a mistake, you have to use an eraser. Now, does anybody know the material? Rubber. Yes, well done. Materials that erasers are made from are rubber, and rubbers are more soft and flexible because they're good for rubbing things out. U-B-B-E-R. And then our final item that we have on the table, not a cup, or sorry, not a glass, it's a cup, yes. But what material is the cup made from? Not glass, not soil, not oil. I'll give you a clue. It begins with C. Let's see if we can get it. C. L. Yes, one more time. Clay. So here we have 6 items on our table, and each item is made from a different material. One more time, guys. We have glass, plastic, metal, wood, rubber, clay. Okay, now we've got some examples of items that are made Can anybody think of anything else that is made of glass? Anyone? Again? TV. A TV screen, yes. The screen on a TV is made from glass. So well done, guys. Very well thought. TV screens are made from glass. Who can think of something else made from plastic? Have a look where you're sitting now. Chairs, yes. All of the chairs in the classroom are made of plastic. Plastic chairs. Now let's have a think about metal. Metal are hard objects. What type of things are made of metal? Sometimes table, but have a look in the room. Not so much a table. Fan. Yes, a fan is more of a hard object. And we can say that metal is used to make the fan. Okay, next one, for another example, wood. Now we've got the wooden pencil. Remember before I said table or desk? Yes. Let's go with table. Now, does anybody know anything else that's made of rubber? We've got eraser. I'll give you a clue. Look at my feet. Shoes, yes. The bottoms of our shoes are mainly made from rubber. So we can say that rubber goes towards making shoes. And then the final one, and maybe the hardest, clay. I'll give you a clue. If you have a flower, what do you put a flower in at home? A flower pot. Yes, mostly flower pots will be made from clay. F-L-O-W-E-R-P-O-T. So here we have our 6 materials and examples of the things that they are made from. So one more time, guys. Glass, TV screen. Wood, table. Plastic, chairs. Rubber, shoes. Metal, fan. And finally, clay. Clay can use for flower pots. And that's an introduction to our materials. Notice how different materials are used for different things because they have different uses. Guys, that was excellent. Well done. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe, listen to, and practice speaking about the different materials and some of the items that are made from them. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation about materials. Introduction. Yes, and in the opening presentation here, you can see a picture of lots of different objects. And you can notice the different materials that they are made from. We have glass, plastic, rubber, metal, and also some other things too. And what we'll do, we're going to learn a little bit more about the different materials. Different objects are made of different types of materials. So here we have the 6 different materials. Clay, flower pot, or teapot. Yes, they're examples of things made from clay. Glass, spectacles, or window. Yes, windows are all made from glass because they are good for looking through. Metal. Now, who has a bicycle? Okay, well, on your bicycle, you will see the frame of the bicycle, and because metal is quite hard, it is used to make your bicycle. And another thing, when we turn on a tap, we're using metal because taps are made from metal too. The next one, plastic. Plastic boots. And plastic is good for containers. Yes. Rubber. Now I think maybe you all sleep on rubber every night because the mattress on our beds is made of rubber because it's nice and soft. Rubber mattress. And then also trainers or shoes. And the final one, wood. Desks and pencil. So these are a list of the different materials and some of the objects used. We use different materials to make items because they are used differently. Now in this picture there are 4 objects and each one is made from a different material. Let's see if we can guess. How about the table? Wood. Yes, the table is made from wood. How about the cup? Clay. Yes, a type of clay called ceramic. Now what about the TV screen? Glass. Yes, just like the one we're looking at now, it's made of glass. But then the light, metal. Yes, the frame of the light is made from metal. And actually, there's one more material, the wire. Who knows what the wire is made of? Look, could be could be plastic or could be rubber. Both of them are used for wires. So good answers, guys. Clay is used to make objects that are used to hold things or pour liquids into. Yes. Now who can guess what type of object this is? Flower pot. Yes. Flower pots are usually made from clay. Examples of clay objects include cups, flower pots, and teapots. Yes. And then the next material, glass, is used to make objects that are used for looking at things or seeing through. Because glass is see-through. Every window that we have, we need to look through. So they're all made of glass. Examples of glass objects include eyeglasses, TV screens, and windows. Yes, and you can see the picture of eyeglasses here. Metal is used to make objects that are used for transport and supplying things. Metal is hard, so it's a good conductor and for things like liquids to travel through. Examples of metal objects include coins, pipes, and cutlery. Yes, usually when we eat food, the cutlery that we use, knives, forks, spoons, will be metal. Plastic is used to make objects that are used for clothing and containing things, particularly waterproof clothing. When it rains, we like to wear plastic objects because plastic is waterproof. Examples of plastic objects include toys, chairs, and bins. Yes, including the chairs you're sitting on now. They're made of plastic. Wood is used to make objects that are used for furniture and stationery. Examples of wooden objects include pencils, tables, and fences. And then our final material, guys, rubber is used to make objects that are used for footwear and relaxing. Yes, rubber is a nice soft material, so it's nice for sitting on or lying on. On your beds, if you have a mattress, on the inside you would see the rubber because it's soft and bouncy and good for lying and sleeping on. Examples of rubber objects include sandals, erasers, and mattresses. So that was an introduction to the materials and an example of some of the things that are made from them. Any questions, guys? No. That was brilliant. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation to give them an introduction to materials. Firstly, the different materials that we have, and secondly, some of the objects and items that are made from them. And we've got a flashcards exercise coming up too for them to practice further. But for now, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this stretch sequence, we'll begin with some stretches. So let's do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. And now we can do some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. And now, to finish, we will take our right hand and find our left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. And then to finish, right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent, guys. To finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now have a seat. So what we're going to do now is a flashcard exercise for our students to practice recognizing what the different objects, what materials they are made from. But what we need to do first is to write the different columns of the materials on the board. So guys, what materials have you learnt about so far? Glass. Glass was one material, so we'll have a column for glass. G, L, A, S, S. Glass was one. Wood was another one. Excellent, Dan. Well done. W, O, O, D. Clay. Yes, we had clay too. C, L, A, Y. Plastic. That's 4. P, L, A, S, T, I, C. Now what about what about the hard material we use? Metal. M, E, T, A, L. Okay. And what we need is one more material. What's the soft type of material that we use, guys? Rubber. So we can have rubber over here too. R, U, B, B, E, R. Okay, so I think that's enough for materials for now. And what we've got is some flashcards. So teachers, what you need to do is print off the flashcards for the lesson, and then we're going to ask our students to come forward with one flashcard at a time and see if they can decide which type of material that it belongs to. Say the name of the material and also the name of the object. So what we need to do first, guys, is close our eyes, and then we'll see who wakes up with the flashcard. Okay, so our first student has her first flashcard. Let go, bring it to the front of class. Now, who can remember what is this? What object is this? Yes, but what is it? It's a bed. Yes, bed is good. It's a mattress. Now, what is the mattress made of?
Rubber.
Rubber indeed. So, Lakau, can you find the correct column? Perfect. And together, guys, we can say rubber mattress. One more time, Lakau. Rubber mattress. Perfect. High five and a big round of applause for Lakau, guys. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom. You can do the same activity with your students. So pause the video and play for around the next 10 minutes and give each different student their own flashcard to bring forward, present and practice speaking. And we're going to carry on playing here now. Okay, so our next student with the flashcard is Pangpon. Pangpon, come and join me at the front of class. Now, what objects can you see on Pangpon's flashcard? Fork, knife, spoon. All together, we call them cutlery. But what material are they made from? Metal. They are indeed. No. No. Yes, metal, bit higher up, Pangpon. Okay, so together we can say metal cutlery. So Pangpon, can you say metal cutlery? Excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Pangpon. Okay, so now on to our next student. And now the flashcard is with Prel. So Prel, what can you see? Bring it forward. Let's see what is on Prel's flashcard. Not sunglasses, they're eyeglasses. Sunglasses are the ones with the dark shade that block out the sun. These are just normal eyeglasses. But what materials are they made from?
Glass.
Glass, yes. So can you find the correct column, Prel? The clue is in the name, eyeglasses. So can we say glass, eyeglasses? Excellent, Prel. High five and a big round of applause for Prel. And now for our next student. Now the flashcard is with Down. Let's see what picture is on Down's flashcard and see if we can guess what material it's made of. So what can we see, guys? What do we look through at home? Window. And what are windows made of? Glass. Windows are also made of glass. So over here with eyeglasses, we can put window. Perfect, Down. So all together, guys, glass, window. Can you say Down? Glass, window. Excellent, Down. Very well done. Big round of applause for Down. Okay, and now for our next student. And it's now Chu's turn to bring his flashcard to the front of class. So Chu, come and join me at the front. Okay, now let's see, who can guess, who knows what these are? Any idea what these are, guys? It's metal, yes, but what are they? You don't see them often because they're underground. All of the water and heating things that we use, they use, ready? Pipes. Yes, all underground. All the water and heating that we have runs through metal pipes. So Chu, can you find the metal column on the board? Excellent. And we can say together, metal, pipes. One more time, Chu. Metal, pipes. Excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Chu. And it's now Nadia's turn. So Nadia, bring your flashcard forward to the front of class and show your friends. I think everybody will know what these are. Pencils. And what's a pencils made from? Wood. So Nadia, where's wood on the board? Excellent. And we can say wood, pencils. One more time, Nadia. Wood, pencils. Perfect. High five and a big round of applause for Nadia. And now it's Pat's turn. So Pat, bring your flashcard forward, please. This one is an easy one because everybody's using them right now. What are these, guys? Chairs. And what are they made of? Plastic chairs. So can you find plastic on the board, Pat? Excellent. Yes, we have plastic chairs. All together, guys, plastic chairs. One more time, Pat. Excellent. High five, big round of applause for Pat. Okay, 2 students left. And the next picture is with Pak Bung. So Pak Bung, come and join me at the front. Let's see who can remember what these are called. Sandals, or has anybody ever heard flip-flops? Flip-flops or sandals. But more importantly, what material? Correct. Well done, Dan. These are made from rubber. So we can say rubber sandals or rubber flip-flops. One more time. Rubber. Excellent, Pak Bung. High five and a big round of applause for Pak Bung. And our final student, Net. What does Net have? Net, come and bring your flashcard to the front of class. I think we can guess this one, guys. What does Net have on his flashcard? Table. It's a table. But what's the table made of? Not clay. We've got nothing for clay. Wood. Yes. So we can say wood, table. Can you say, Net? Wood, table. Perfect. High five and a big round of applause for Annette. But unfortunately, we've got no pictures for clay. So let's practice speaking the items we do have. Rubber, mattress. Rubber, sandals. Wood, pencils. Wood, table. Glass, eyeglasses. Glass, window. Plastic, chairs. Metal, cutlery. And metal, pipes. Guys, that was excellent and very well spoken. So now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, can you make sure every student in your class gets their own worksheet? And what we've got is a table listing the 6 different materials that we've learnt about today. Ready, guys? Glass, wood, metal, clay, rubber, and plastic. Okay, and in the word box are lots of different objects. What our students need to do is they need to read each object and decide what materials they are made from, and then write the object in the correct column. For example, the first one, pencil. Now, what are pencils made of? Wood. So we will write pencil in the wood column. But what's the first thing to do, guys? And give our students around 10 minutes to complete this activity, and just monitor the class, help them with anything they need. So Lackout, that's for you. You're welcome. Frau, here's yours.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Down for you.
Thank you, teacher.
Chu, for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nadia, this one's for you. Pat, for you. Pak Bung, here's yours. And Net, for you. So names on top, guys, and then have a look at the different objects. Some of them are on the board behind us. Any you're not sure of, ask me, and I will help you. Table is made of wood. Actually, some of the answers could be either. You could have plastic table or wooden table. So it's up to you. Same with cutlery. There's more than one answer to some of them. As long as you choose one of the correct options, that's all we need.
Teapot.
Teapot.
Clay.
Clay, yes. Teapots, flower pots made from clay. And you only need each word once, guys. So once you've written it, you can cross it out.
Window.
A window from wood? Are you sure? I think windows are made of glass. We don't have wooden window. We wouldn't be able to see. Glass. Pak Bung, if the window was made from wood, we wouldn't be able to see. Glass is see-through. That's why they're used for windows. The window frame around the window is wood, but the window itself is glass. Excellent, Lackow, well done. What do we think? Or plastic. We can have plastic too, so it's up to you. Sometimes we have plastic spoons, and sometimes we have metal. So more than one correct answer sometimes. Pencil, or this one, mattress. Mattresses are made of rubber, nice and soft and bouncy. Eraser. Okay. So what do we think? Rubber, yes. Erasers are made of rubber. In England, the eraser is called a rubber. That's what we call it, because we use it for rubbing out. Taps. When we turn water on, water off, what material? Correct. Mattress. Rubber. The things that we sleep on, the nice, soft, bouncy things, are mattresses. Teapot, same as flower pot. Oh, that one. Remember the new word today? Pipes are made of metal. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet exercise where they had to look at all of the different items and decide what materials they were made from. And it's important to note, some of the objects can be made from different materials, such as a spoon. We can have a metal spoon or a plastic spoon. As long as the students choose one of the correct answers, that's fine. And my students here all did a great job, so that was excellent, guys. Well done. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and now understand a little bit more about materials and some of the things made from them. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Bye-bye. See you again soon.